Hi, it's Daryl here. In this video, I'll show you how to use MintBird with a short demo video. Here's just a few of the applications that this software includes. It's library-based, it's simple to use, 2-minute funnel creation. This is the only cart builder that lets you drop in complete upsells and downsells into your funnels. It has beautiful templates, and there is over 60 integrations that have been added to MintBird with more to come. They've also added a mobile app that's very easy, friendly, and very powerful. Also, don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up and get notification. Plus, you'll get access to 3 free bonuses taught by Chad Nicely and Perry Belcher. Just click the link in the description of this video to access your free MintBird bonuses. Once again, to access your free MintBird bonuses, just click the link below.